Hello, Garden City.
Yep.
Alright, what's going on?
He's drunk.
Okay,
And being
okay. And?
I can't deal with it.
Okay. Alright, is he still inside?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is he just drunk, no weapons, no nothing like that?
No.
Are you injured?
No.
Okay, do you need medical or anything?
No, but I think he does.
Okay.
I scratched him.
Alright, can you move off the porch and you can talk to my partner over here? Is he gonna come? Okay. Appreciate that.
He's still there. As can be expected.
So you got in an argument with your husband?
Hey, sir.
I'll blow your head off.
Whoa, whoa! Get back! Get back!
750, we have one subject down, one EMS quick free. Get back. Okay, get him on his side, and let's get CPR, get medic.
Hi. Do we have medics code 3?
Yeah, we got medics coming.
Alright, let me get some gloves on.
We need to get him on his side, we can start getting aid.
Okay. Let me get gloves. Do you have gloves?
No.
Just stay back, man.
Stay back, man.
Stay back!
I'm gonna go get,
Here, gloves.
Seven 753, subject still breathing, starting CPR.
Drop the 750 shots fired. Get back! Get back! Get back! 750, we have one subject down. We need EMS code 3. Get back. Okay, get him on his side. Let's get CPR, get medics.
Do we have medics code 3?
Yeah, we got medics coming.
Alright. Let me get some gloves on.
We need to get him on his side. We can start getting aid. Okay.
Okay, gloves. Do you have gloves?
No.
Stay back!
Get back. I'm gonna go get bag. I'm gonna go get a med bag. Right now we just need EMS.